Welcome to the virtual 360 walking tour of Oatman, Arizona, a charming and historic town nestled in the heart of the Black Mountains. Throughout this immersive experience, you will explore the rich history, unique charm, and breathtaking landscapes that make Oatman a must-visit destination. So put on your virtual reality headset and let's begin our journey through time. Our tour begins on Oatman's Main Street, where the spirit of the Old West still thrives. Take in the rustic charm of the wooden facades, the swinging saloon doors, and the lively atmosphere that transports you back in time. Keep an eye out for Oatman's most famous residents, the wild burros, descendants of the pack animals used during the Gold Rush era. These gentle creatures are a beloved part of the town's heritage. Let's take a moment to learn about Oatman's fascinating history as a gold mining town. Oatman's story begins in the early 1900s when the gold was discovered in the nearby Black Mountains. The news of the gold strike spread like wildfire, attracting thousands of prospectors, miners, and fortune seekers from all over. During its heyday, Oatman became a thriving boom town with a population of over 3,500 people. Numerous mines were established in the region, producing substantial amounts of gold. The town flourished, boasting hotels, saloons, mercantiles, and even its own newspaper. Oatman's history also carries a poignant tale, that of Olive Oatman. In 1851, Olive and her family were captured by Native American tribe, and she was later freed after several years of captivity. Olive's story became a symbol of endurance and survival, and a memorial was erected in her honor in Oatman. As the gold mines gradually depleted and the Great Depression hit, Oatman's population dwindled, turning it into a ghost town. Though its glory days had passed, Oatman's character and historic charm remain intact. In the present day, Oatman has been revived as a tourist destination, attracting visitors from far and wide to experience the Wild West ambiance, interact with the friendly burros, and explore the remnants of its storied past. As our virtual 360 walking tour of Oatman, Arizona comes to an end, we hope you enjoyed this immersive experience through the town's history and natural wonders. Oatman's allure lies not only in its past, but also in the enduring spirit of the Old West that lives on. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy virtual exploring.